In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group appointments in SimplePractice. To begin, open your calendar in SimplePractice so you can see the date and time slot you want to use. It helps to confirm you're viewing the right calendar for your practice location or clinician and that you're on the correct day. If needed, switch between day, week, or month views to quickly find the time you want. Next, click the plus icon and choose Schedule Appointment. This opens the appointment window where you'll set everything up. Be sure to select the group option. This tells SimplePractice you're creating a single appointment that includes multiple clients, which keeps your scheduling and billing consistent across the group. Now it's time to add participants. Use Search Clients to add people who already have profiles. If someone is new to your practice, click Create Client to add them on the spot. You can include up to 15 clients in the same group appointment. As you add clients, double-check spelling to avoid duplicates and make sure you've selected everyone who should be included. Fill in the appointment details next. You can add an appointment name if you like, such as a group title that makes sense to you and your team. Keep it professional and avoid sensitive information in the title. Choose the date, then set the start and end time or enter a duration if that's easier. Pick the clinician who will lead the group so the appointment appears on the correct calendar. Then select the location, whether that's your office, a telehealth setting, or another approved place you use for sessions. If you work across time zones or multiple locations, take a moment to verify everything aligns with your schedule. Choose the service for this group appointment and adjust the fee and any modifiers as needed. Make sure the service reflects the group format you intend to provide, and confirm that the fee is set the way your practice bills for group sessions. If you're working with payers, ensure the service and modifiers match your typical billing setup so there are no surprises later. When everything looks right, click Done or Save to finalize the group appointment. You'll see it appear on the calendar, and each included client will be associated with that same appointment. If plans change, you can return to this event to update the details, add or remove clients within the allowed limits, or adjust the service or fee. That's it. You've created a clear, consistent group appointment in SimplePractice, ready for your session.